Hi, I want to talk a little bit about pressure and the pressure that you use with your brushes to create different effects. Now, as we all know, Product Club offers all different kinds of tools, and I want to talk about a couple of them just to give you an idea of the spectrum that we have, but I want to teach you a little bit about how to use your brushes to really make things happen for your work. So we have different things such as the blur brush. This is our softest brush, and this one is just to very gently combine hair color. If you're using multiple tones and you're looking for a good melt, this is your friend. We also have the Ergo Brush. This happens to be my favorite brush for my single process clients because it holds a whole lot of liquid and I'm able to get my color on and move very quickly. They happen to be very kind of malleable without being soft, so I can move them efficiently, but there's a good density to them so that I can move efficiently and with a clean, non-overlap action. Our balayage brushes are great, better than anybody's. So this is our feather bristle brush. I really love this one because even though it's narrow, I get a very nice sweeping motion with this brush. And this is our amazing balayage brush that has these beautiful, ultra soft bristles that are going to help you get through your work. But it's all about how you use your tool. Pressure and touch could not be more important. Even if we're just using a marker on a board, I want to show you how things can be different depending on how you use them. Now this is also a great example because these are regular markers that have a beveled edge. A lot of the time we can use our brushes like that too. So if I'm looking for a nice strong application, I'm going to push pretty hard and I'm going to move it down. And you can see the density and the intensity of that line. Same sort of thing if I turn it. Now you can see it's much more narrow. It's the same pen. This could be done easily with a brush. By using your brush horizontally, you're going to get a firm movement of color when you push hard, or you can use it diagonally or vertically to create different impressions, but always the same level of intensity as I am pushing the same way. If I change my pressure on the pen, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Now I'm altering my pressure and I am just coming down much softer. As you can see with the pen, it's a little bit on the spotty side, but when you do that with the color brush and you adjust your pressure, it's going to have a different reaction to the hair canvas, and it's going to be a lot softer as it goes through. I can change my angles and my pressure to create different effects. The lighter that you touch, the lighter that application, and then I can build on that. So you can start with a gentle touch and then build intensity for stronger application through the ends. So think about it. Even though you have a myriad of different tools that are going to react in different ways, nothing beats the hand and the operator to bring the effect that you need. So get the perfect combo, make the perfect work.